Hello, I'm Shin and this is another video from Honda Prelude. Yesterday, so in previous video we were painting this and do little stuff. Just like I show you, I was welding the roof. But tomorrow, so today at the morning was raining and it's already starting rust a little. It's a middle of summer and it's raining, hard raining, a storm was. And probably today will be another one, so I want to work fast. I think today I will not paint. I will focus on the sunroof to make it. Yeah, and for that first I need to grind the swells, and later I will put finishing polyester duty, and as I said, probably I will not today paint anything. Maybe later we will try to repair secret lighter. So let's get to work. Alright, and now we must wait for it to dry. So meanwhile we can already put again finish putty on the side. I will skip it for you because you saw it in previous video. Okay, meanwhile I decide to repair this cable. Hope you see it, because this will be small elements. Okay. Piąty, chodź tu. Okay, I bought a wrong one. I mean, I need something like this, but longer. I have two shorts, so today we will not do it. Okay, so as you can see, it started raining, so I cover these parts that are ready for paint. I will wait for the rain to move on, because after an hour or two it's supposed to be again shiny, and then I will maybe start to paint. If not, then this will be all for today, but we'll see. Alright, I just read water, and the rain will be long, so, and when it will be the finish of the rain, it will be already dark, so I decided to finish for the day. So thank you for watching, bye. Okay, it's me again, and I did it. This is the result, but as you can see, I painted this. I know here are these artifacts, but I made them with knowledge, because this roof was heavily damaged, as I said previously, and I was welding it. Probably in the future I will just buy a new one. This just for now. Yeah, oh, and here you see the result, old new one. I will the rest what I didn't paint in the future, but for now this is the result. I screw up here a little. I'm not sure if you see it. I hope you do. And I'm not sure if you remember how rear bumper looks, but look how I repair it. I know it's not still not great, but it's in better condition than it was. Also, I forgot here that I was painting. And yeah, you see what happened, but alright. I want to, and here, okay, I will do it later. Yeah, so rear bumper, I painted rear bumper, also this one. As you can see, here are still there's a lot of artifacts, but I decided to leave it, because later I will put a big sticker, so probably this will be marked. I don't know, I will see in the future. And this mirror is painted, and tomorrow probably, I don't know when, because I need to wait for dry, because it's coat and undercoat already painted. Yeah, so now I must wait for dry, and then I will polishing it. Maybe then I will record it for you, because I was fighting with time. That's why I'm not recording the process of painting. Sorry for that, but you see the result. So this will be all. Thank you for watching. Bye.